with, so we'll take the MRT to, I believe, Sanang Chai, and then we'll be at the first spot. So the first stop when we come off the MRT is going to be Wat Phao. I believe that's how you pronounce it, or Pho, but it's a super nice temple, and it is super hot when you come off the MRT, but the scenery here is just amazing. So I'll see you guys inside. The entry's about 300 baht, which I believe is $8 and some change, so I'll put that in the video here. But I mean, the scenery is amazing, and there's just so much going on. Just the craftsmanship on this is unbelievable, and you can tell that it's been here for a very long time. So we're still at Wat Pho, and this place is amazing. The scenery's great, and there's just so much to do. We're only in like one section out of a lot more. That's pretty cool behind me.
小心扒手，小心扒手。
Well, a stupid play was for me to come on the hottest day of since I've been here, plus this week, and it's 100 degrees currently, so it is super hot. I'm not sure what that is in Celsius, but I'll plug that up here on the screen. But it is just burning hot, man. I'm gonna be bright red like this behind me when I get back to the condo. But I'm enjoying it, and the view's amazing, and there's just so much to explore. I thought I was almost done with it, but I'm not even halfway. And we just got done seeing the lounging Buddhist, or Buddha, super cool. But this little bit of shade I'm in right now is perfect with this little waterfall behind me. Super nice place. This whole area, even the like houses back behind this, are really cool design. And finally we found one after all this time being here, a basketball hoop. But I don't think we're allowed to play on it, but that is one. And the backboard is literally like the size of my hand. Like I could put my hand across that whole backboard. It's crazy. I wish the next stop was an ice bath. I would love to have that right now because it is steaming and right around 100 degrees. It's been this whole time and it's not cooling down anytime soon. If you decide to walk down this road, I'm not sure what it's called, I'll also put that in the video. You will get a lot of the tuk-tuk drivers come up to you and basically try to get you to ride with them, but this was a pretty cool spot right here. And I guess we weren't supposed to be there, so I got out of there quick. They had guns with bayonets on it. I am not trying to mess with that, no way. We even snuck into a tour guide.